How to lose weight without counting calories. Do you hate counting calories? Most people do. Measuring, counting, and trying to determine the appropriate portion of what to eat can make some people mad. In this video, you will learn steps to take and how you can diet and lose weight without counting. Making sure you consume fewer calories than you use up is the most effective way to shed excess pounds. The problem is that counting calories are a meticulous and time-consuming process that is not practical for the average person to do daily. Thankfully, there are several simple adjustments you can make to your diet so that you can lose weight without counting calories. 1. Eat more protein. Adding more protein to your diet naturally helps you lose fat. In fact, according to the results of a clinical trial featured by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2005, increasing your protein intake to 30% of your total calorie consumption keeps you fuller for longer. Consequently, your daily calorie consumption can decrease by over 400 calories, which inevitably leads to significant weight loss. Although the study was done with careful measurements, you do not need to compute your protein intake to gain its benefits. All you must do is consume more protein sources than you do carbohydrates, and you should be able to notice the difference in a short time. 2. Choose low-calorie density foods. In 2007, researchers from Pennsylvania State University's Department of Nutritional Sciences conducted a randomized controlled trial that aimed to determine the effects of dietary energy density on weight loss. They found that those who increased their intake of low-energy density foods consumed fewer calories overall. Among the best low-energy density foods to consume are fruits and vegetables because they tend to contain more water and fiber. So if you want to lose weight without counting calories, you'll benefit a lot from increasing your fruit and vegetable intake. Additionally, the study showed that decreasing your fat consumption while consuming more low-energy density foods will allow you to lose up to 20 pounds within a single year. 3. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water does not just quench your thirst, but it is essential to maintaining your natural bodily functions, including your metabolism. Studies show that you can lose a significant amount of weight and body fat just by increasing the amount of water you drink per day. Through a randomized controlled trial that concluded in 2018, researchers at the Children's Hospital Oakland Research Institute found that drinking more water helps you lower your daily calorie consumption and also boosts your metabolism. Over time, it leads to remarkable weight loss and fat reduction. 4. Eliminate simple sugars. Simple sugars might be delicious, but they could be just the thing that's keeping you from achieving your weight goals. Additional sugars like those you get from table sugar, corn syrup, and agave syrups are high in calories, but provide extraordinarily little in terms of nutrition and fiber. So you're basically consuming empty calories that eventually convert to fat. Sugary beverages in particular are a hindrance to weight loss. In a review of 30 different studies on the effects of sugar-sweetened drinks on the body, researchers noted that there's adequate proof that sugar-sweetened beverages are associated with unhealthy BMIs in both children and adults. If you're looking to be healthy and lose weight, avoiding sodas and similar drinks will give you remarkable results. Although counting calories is remarkably effective for weight loss, it is also incredibly difficult and inconvenient. By following these tips, you can shed your excess pounds just as effectively, but without the complicated daily calculations that counting calories entail. Following are the study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.